What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing a NES Classic Edition. So let's get started. Here's the front. This is the top. Here's the side. Let me see if I can just focus that. On the back we get to see all the games that are inside of it. And on this side we get to see other stuff. But for now, how about we just crack it open. It's pretty big, so here's how much I can get in frame. On this we got the user agreement, got startup instructions. Now let's go for some of the other accessories. And here's the controller. This is USB port, nothing special here. This is the HDMI cable, nothing special. And here's the power cable, nothing special here as well. Here's the console itself. Jesus, that is tiny. Look at that. My goodness. You really gotta see this in person to appreciate how tiny this is. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and see you next time.